Hi, my name is Ruchi, and I would like to give a lightning talk about how to motivate yourself towards creating new ideas and indulging yourself into new innovative projects. Hello. My name is Ruchi, and I find it really difficult to start with any new project or any innovative idea. Basically, innovation does gives me the thrill, but I am really too much distracted by doing Netflix and chill. So, It's majorly because I'm too lazy and it sometimes makes me frustrated and it sometimes makes me really crazy that I do have knowledge and I am not able to implement it for creating new things, for building new projects. Yeah, either I make myself think that I don't have the time, or sometimes I just, ignore that I can even do such a project, or I do even have the capability to do that. So I start to doubt myself, and this really makes me sometimes angry as well. So, are you also like me? Are you also struggling to find motivation to upgrade yourself, to grow in your own professional life? Are you lazy but you don't want to do anything about it? You just don't have the motivation to pull yourself up and do something. So, here I am trying to give you few hacks which I myself have implemented in my life and maybe they can help you too. So these are some simple hacks. Okay. So first hack is to start participating in various hackathons and it really gives you that much needed adrenaline rush. So I myself have started participating into various competition contests and believe me, waking up in the morning and the first thing I do is to check my Instagram and Facebook, and now the next thing I do is to check how much my rank has improved in the contest I'm currently taking part into. So it really keeps me motivated, and yes, it's a very good hack. The next is to join various tech conferences like we have PyCon.pl to know more about what is happening and what's new innovation going forward in the world, and try asking questions. Basically, asking questions not only help you to understand better, but you might also get some ideas for your next project. The next hack is to join communities and groups on platforms like LinkedIn. So, if you join some platforms, you will actually start getting updates on your profile, and definitely you would like to check them out sometime. And if you do, then you might get some new idea. You might get motivated to do something. You might get some GitHub links and try to implement it. And it's really not so difficult because you already have your Instagram account, your Facebook account, your Twitter account. So just have one more account to really start browsing, and this way you can also increase your knowledge. And the final step and the most important hack is to start teaching others. I think the best way to learn yourself if you start teaching others, and if you teach someone else, then you actually learn more things, and this way you can not only educate others, but you can also keep yourself up to date, motivated, and you will be really well read over the course material you yourself would like to use in the future. So that was it. Those were the hacks which I have implemented myself in my life, and I really have seen improvement in my motivation. I myself am indulging more into different innovation projects and innovative ideas, and I think it has helped me a lot. So I hope these hacks will help you out also. So this was me before all these hacks. So I used to say, oh my god, what I am going to do, and I am going to lag behind others always, and there is nothing, I cannot grow further in my professional career. And after implementing all these hacks, then look at my smile. I know it's not that good, but I couldn't find a good picture other than this. So, yeah, I'm definitely happy right now, and I hope you guys are also enjoying and keep innovating and keep going further. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.